We're here today at the Makers Machining 3D printing Pinewood Derby car construction site.
Yep.
We've got all our equipment here ready for building a couple of Pinewood Derby cars. We got Grandpa and the two grandsons, Pete and Repeat. So we're going to be figuring out how to go about doing this here today. We've got our two blank blocks. We've done a little layout on there. We got our bags full of wheels and axles and what have you all. But we'll take a look and see what we've done in previous years. We got a couple of cars from last year that we had in the Derby, and Repeat's car got third place in speed right here, this guy. And there was some disappointment because Pete's car didn't make it to the finish line ahead of anybody else. He was always right at the right speed, but didn't win any races. But he had a little man glued in there, and his car was best of show for the whole troop. You can kind of get a side view of these guys here. Pretty slick looking, eh? And a number of years before that, Grampy, he thought he was in a Pinewood Derby car. He thought they said a Porcupinewood Derby. So he made this car here. So that was immediately disqualified. But the last year's races had the best of show and third for speed. So we're going to go doing the construction today here on our new cars. But we're also going to take a look at some of the interesting things that can be made out there. We thought maybe we could do a 3D Pinewood cars, but they're not made out of wood. But we do have some 3D things that we've made here. Here's a pencil holder we made. Deadpool. And there's a chest set back there. And we've got a couple of rubber band guns here that we've made. So all these things that you see here are handcrafted things that people make, and they're great for learning how to build things and do other work. So if anybody's interested in the trades and in doing things and making products and do challenging work, working with your hands, this is the kind of stuff to use. Anyhow, we got Repeat here and Pete over here.
Hello.
You can see Repeat's got a banged up chin there. He took a spill on the ice the other day at school, so he's got a couple injuries there. So anyhow, we're going to put this thing on pause, I hope, and see if we can continue on. We'll get various stages here.
We'll see in a little bit. Yeah.